Hey friends, welcome back to the shop. Um, Still working on the Guideboat build. I just finished the bow deck, that's the front of the boat. So there'll be a cap up top that will cover that area. That will sit over top the gunnels, just like the stern deck. That's the back of the boat for those keeping track. That's cherry and walnut cap. I'm planning on doing the same here. This is a bit of a larger deck than the back, but that's a typical guide boat design. So finish screwing that in. I will have to sand this and add a couple layers of varnish before reinstalling. So things are really coming along here. I'm pretty happy. I needed to finish cutting the rabbets. Right here. To inset and accept the entirety of this this deck and make a big mess so that I could clean everything up. And once I pull that deck off, then this entirety will be dust free. I can do a second coat of varnish. Once I do that, once I do a second coat of glossy epiphanes, epiphanies, whatever those Danes say, coat. Once I can be sawdust free in the shop for a bit, so I'll be able to sand this and give it another coat, and then maybe I'll be able to install my hardware. I've got the seat cleats for the middle seat, and then I have my yoke cleats here. I've not made a yoke yet. Still need to do that. I need to make both the front rower's seat as well as the stern seat, so the main passenger seat. Right now I'm trying to just do a stripped down version of this boat so I can launch this summer, so that's going to be one seat. You can see down here I've got all the caning I need to cane at least that middle seat. And over at the bench, in addition to my rowing and paddle patterns, which we'll get to that eventually, I have my middle seat here all ready to go. And then I have all carved up my main rowing seat. Stern seat I haven't done yet. So this boy, I've never caned anything before. I just got to give it a go. I varnished it. We'll give it a shot. Worst case scenario, I can just throw a middle seat in there and start rowing. But you may be asking yourself, well, rowing with what? Well, good question. I've got my oars over here. So we've got a ways to go before we launch this summer, and we got a baby coming in a month and a day. And since the last one was born 3 weeks early, I think we got a July 4th launch in the cards. Anyways, I'm smiling my ass off whenever I'm in the shop. Things are going well, and I at this point I don't even care if I don't even like rowing it. I can't imagine I won't like it, but this thing is such a trip to make, and it's truly a project that's made me happy. So that's all for now. Thanks for stopping by. As always, happy woodworking.